Hi guys, welcome to Technical Solutions. For the first time, I am giving the demo with English speech for every person to listen and get into the point. Okay, now I am giving demo about the 5.1 amplifier, and it is not a home theater, it is a 5.1 amplifier. Amplifier is different from home theater. And now let's go into the topic. And this one is the on off switch, and it is for DVD 5.1 input. 5.1 input means whenever we keep any 5.1 input devices like DVD player, Blu-ray players, then we have to click this button, and automatically the media sources which were given for this one, it will turn into the 5.1 output, and you will be experiencing the 5 point home theater effect. And this one is for sub volume, center volume, surround volume, main volume, and treble volume, bass volume. Main volume is nothing but front, left, right purpose only. For the front, left, right, if you want to increase, you can individually increase this one. And this one is for master volume, for getting all the inputs at a time, for leveling them. The master volume will be used in this amplifier. And now let's go into the inside view of my amplifier. And this is called Ravi Audio's Prologic board. It was a marvelous one, and you will surely enjoy the audio output. And the Prologic was excellent, and you won't even hear in some songs voice in your surround. And even sub also, very soft bass is coming from this Prologic board. And coming to the power supply, I have used 24024 5 amps transformer, and for that bridge rectification done. This is called capacitors, and each capacitor is 4750 volt, and 4700 is microfarads, and 50 volt is this capacity voltage. And these are 6 amp diodes, and it is called a printed PCB. And this is called buckboard. Buckboard is nothing but power source for this Bluetooth panel. And this buckboard, why I had used is, we can use it instead of that buckboard, we can save money by keeping 7805. But 7805 is not so suggestible at my place, because I won't suggest it that, because whenever any short will come means regulator will be gone, or this Bluetooth panel will be getting damaged. So in this buckboard we have some short circuit protection. Whenever these terminals get shorted, this buckboard will stop the power supply, and because of that the USB panel will be saved. And I used in this 12012 1 amp transformer winding, I had used for fan. Because of that, no humming will be heard in any of the speakers. And coming to the audio board section, this is the power supply STK power amplifier STK4141, and this is 2030 TDA series. And this was a fantastic board, and you will be getting very easily and very best price. And this is the about my amplifier. And regarding to the output, I will surely make a video and post it now. Okay,